Hey everybody, Michelle with Michelle's Frugal Living here. Thanks for watching my videos. And I'm going to talk about how I keep track of the bonus cash that I earn at Rite Aid. And I'll actually show you how I keep track of all the deals that I do from week to week and my monthly deals and stuff like that. Yeah. First, I just want to mention that I do have a lot of instructional videos about Rite Aid if you're new to my YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube channel, and then if you just scroll down a little bit, right here I have a playlist full of videos for new couponers, and then I have the Rite Aid playlist, and so there's a lot of videos in there, and talking about a variety of things at Rite Aid. Okay, so that's on my YouTube channel, and okay, so let's talk about this. First off, I have been told, just yesterday, someone told me that on April the 15th, Rite Aid's planning on doing an update so that the bonus cash will show on our receipt on how much we have it. Because, you know, I happen to have 146 plenty points on this card. So I guess somewhere right here it's going to show us. Now, I don't know if it's going to be a cumulative amount, like, you know, you have $47. And it not tell you what each of the dollar amounts are. I don't know. But I wonder if they're working their way up to you being able to spend any amount that you want, the way plenty points work. But I don't know. I don't know what it's going to look like. Because as it stands, you have to spend the bonus cash in the amount that it's earned in. So if you earn $5, then it has to be spent as $5. If you earn $2, it has to be spent as $2. So I'm not sure what all the changes might happen, and that's just what I was told by somebody that works at Rite Aid. Okay, so anyhow, let's talk about how I track my bonus cash that I get. Okay, so here's the receipt that I got yesterday, and I earned $5 yesterday, right here, okay? Now, on this receipt, I spent $5, a $5, and a $2 bonus cash. And this is the card. Okay, each week I make one of these sheets. I use 8 different cards, and I make one of these sheets each week so I can keep track of my monthly deals and the weekly deals that I do on each of the cards, okay? So this is the one from last week. And on card number 13, these are the things that I bought. These were the monthly deals that I've already done. I did them on a previous week to this. And there's the Colgate monthly deal and the Campbell's soup. And over here, I have all the denominations of bonus cash that I have. And last week, I used the $2 one, so it's marked off. And then obviously earned $2 after that or something. I don't know. Okay, so anyways. So as I use it, I mark it off. Like right here, I used this $1. This one I used 5, 5, and a 10. So that's why I look at the receipt. How much did I use? And then I mark those off. So in this case right here, what did I do with my pen? In this case right here, I used this $5 one, this $5 one, and this $2 one. Okay, and I earned another $5, so I'm going to write a 5 there. Now, that's the sheet that I have that I keep track of my deals on. I have been doing this since, I don't know, probably within 6 months of me shopping at Rite Aid. Okay, in my notebook that I carry with me all the time, I have all of the cards. I have a section here, and I've been doing this since the day we started getting bonus cash. And so, as I've used it up, I have marked it off. And I can only assume that it's using the ones with the oldest expire dates, but I don't know that for a fact, okay? So this is where it gets tricky because, okay, I write down how much I earned and then the expire date. And that is right here where you earned it on your receipt. It tells you the expire date. So in this case, I need to find, here's the $5, and the $2, okay? And I earned another $5 that's going to expire on 5/26. So then I have that written down in there. Okay. So, and I have 146 plenty points. Okay. Now here's what's really weird. I still have this $1 one all the way back here. Because I apparently haven't used any of the dollar ones. I've got like 7 $1 on here. Okay, so that's how I track it. So with this week, after that week was over and I made my new sheet for this week, I just wrote down everything that I still had, and any of the monthly deals that I do, I put them over here. And this is allergy rewards, how much I have tracking for allergy rewards. So some of the cards I have allergy reward money tracking, and some of them I don't. Okay, so that's what's on here. And then the check marks mean that I did this Campbell's deal twice on this card. That's what that's indicating right there. I did the Welch's. I guess I didn't put a check mark next to that because I know I did that one time. Okay, so here was some stuff that I bought yesterday on this card over here. The Nature's Bounty vitamins. It cost me $5 in points, and I earned $5 more. And I also got those Russell Stovers and the Reese's. So this receipt, see, I haven't written all my receipts on here yet for what I bought. So, and this is how I can keep track of Colgate, because on this card, I had done the Colgate deal and I still had $1.94 tracking. So I knew when I went into the store and I wanted to buy the soft soap and the Colgate toothpaste that I bought yesterday on this card, that I already had $1.94 tracking towards the deal. And that's how I keep track of that, okay? And this is how I keep track of my bonus cash, all right? And let me just leave that there. Let me show you, now over on Rite Aid's website, if you go to load to card coupons on there, this is where you can clip the coupons. But then right up here, let me get the camera on it, right up here, that little button, if you click on that, it'll take you over to the coupons that you have activated. And your bonus cash is supposed to show up right here. Now, this is telling me that I only have 4 $1 bonus cash. Now, I know that's not true, and I'm not going to get all bent out of shape over it because I know that this thing is not being accurate on keeping track of bonus cash. Now, this does have expire dates, May the 14th, May 10th, May 7th, and April the 15th. So that one right here, that April the 15th, that's the oldest one that I have, I think, on any of the cards. So I'll have to think about some way that I can get that one spent, right? Okay, before April 15th gets here. They expire in 60 days after you earned them. Okay, so a way that you can look, because I know that the load to card coupons isn't listing all of the ones that I have. I went over to, told it I want to buy something, so I randomly picked some things that cost more than how much bonus cash I think I have. Okay, and so I just added them to my cart here on their website. Doesn't matter what they are, I don't need to buy them. And then I can see, here's my $5 that I earned yesterday, and then 7 $1. So all of that matches up. So, you know, about once a month, at least I have gone through and checked and made sure what I'm writing down is corresponding with this, with when I go in here and put some stuff in my cart. Like I'm going to buy it. Now I'm not going to buy that, so I can just hit remove, and it'll take it out of the off the cart, and I don't have to buy it. So that's how you can check. The only problem is in here it's not telling me when the expire date on that bonus cash is. Okay, so that's why you have to write down the expire dates. All right. The other thing that you can do, and I haven't checked to see if it actually registers properly. On the cash registers, after they scan your card, the cashier can hit this green button. It says card status, and that takes them over to load to card, all of your load to card coupons. But my problem is I don't know. I haven't ever checked, because if this load to card is only showing I have 4 $1 right here, then how is that going to show anything else? I don't know if it's going to show all of my 7 $1 and my $5. Like I said, I haven't ever asked them to look at that and check. But that is supposed to have the expire dates. They can see when your bonus cash expires. Ultimately, after that, you could call customer service and have them talk to Rite Aid's customer service and have them and tell you. Okay? Anyhow, that's how I track this stuff. I'll talk to you guys later.